talking about health every day for healthy life.
Top 4 Surprising Tips for Improving Your Health. Brushing your teeth. According to dentists, if you've eaten acidic foods, such as citrus fruits or tomatoes, it is best to wait an hour before brushing your teeth. This is because the acid in the fruits can weaken your teeth. Brushing while the acid is still on your teeth actually speeds up the damage caused by the acid. Lose weight. If you're trying to lose weight, researchers suggest that eating a snack, which is high in protein and fat, is better than eating a small carbohydrate-based snack. This is because the protein and fat help you to feel full for longer, so you won't need another snack as quickly. Exercise. It may sound surprising, but exercising when you're tired has a range of benefits, such as improving mood and reducing depression. Exercise actually gives you energy, so it helps you work more efficiently, says researcher Dakota Fines. Heat. If you feel hot, studies show that drinking a hot drink could actually be a better way to cool down than by drinking a cold drink. This is because the hot drink causes you to sweat more, which helps you to cool down quicker.